guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the relay for the vacuum pump, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located and we'll explain how you can even test the relays pretty easily as well. If your vacuum pump still does not work, you have hard brake paddle, we'll explain what else could cause that, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything, guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. Specifically, guys, okay, we have that 2018 Dodge Challenger that we'll be demonstrating on. So let's go ahead and open the hood here quick. Okay, pop it open. Here we have the fuse box. Check it out now. This is our fuse box. All we have to do, we have one tab here, one there, squish towards each other, pull out. This is the fuse box. You can see the layout of the relays and the fuses corresponds to what we have specifically guys here. So the relay that we need to check now, guys, that is actually for the vacuum pump. It's known as relay R25. It's that huge relay right here that you will need to check, guys. Now if you want to see how to test relays, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test relays and how to test fuses, because it's very important, so you will know if that's causing your problem or not. If you still have problems with the vacuum pump not working, we will have a video that explains how to replace vacuum pump and where the vacuum pump is located, step-by-step instructions, guys, and you will be able to test it that way, get to it, test it, and find out if the pump is bad or you have an electrical connection that's loose somewhere. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.